The combatants are locked inside Hell in a Cell. This is a nightmare no one can escape.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. A score will be settled tonight.
And only one competitor will survive the Devil's Plate. Ground.
Knew what was coming there. Gets him with the counter.
Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Oh, with authority. He turns it around.
Kick to the gut. Lifted way up. Round and around, and oh, my gosh.
No, he lets him out.
Curious decision there, Michael.
Turned that one around. What are they going to do here? Oh, look at the power. Look at the strength. Revolutions into the spinning power bomb.
Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over.
Corey, this type of match can be torturous. What goes into a superstar's preparation?
Physical conditioning and mental focus. You can't take anything for granted when you're up a fall, down a fall, or it's tied 1-1. I think you use the rope-a-dope technique. Let your opponent expel all their energy in the first fall, then you capitalize.
You're the only dope here, Saxton. You never let your opponent hang around for the sake of getting them tired. If you can beat them, you beat them.
Oh! Now on the outside, right by those cell walls. Boom! And he's able to reverse.
Oh, man. Boom! Oof. delivers an uppercut.
Oh!
Oh, ouch.
Oh! Going for it again. And it destroys the cell wall.
And his opponent, too. Hell in a Cell is not for the faint of heart. And if you were still wondering why, I think they just showed you.
Crashing through the cell wall, nothing can contain them now.
He's making the climb.
The climb to what? Guys, he clearly has no regard for his own well-being.
What gave you the first hint, Byron? Landing the uppercut. He's going up, guys.
Oh, boy. Somebody's about to get hurt, Cole, and hurt bad.
Sure, he's pumping himself up, but he's also giving his opponent a chance to recover. He's made it up there, guys.
Now what? Please don't come back down.
Loving blows.
My gosh, this is making the hair on my neck stand up.
A nervous energy has come across this arena as war is waged on top of the set. And this is where this match becomes so dangerous.
Maybe the referee should stop this match.
It's too late for that, Saxton. Just look at him. The damage has already been done. Boom! Running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
This whole arena is standing watching these maniacs battle it out 25 feet above the ground.
What a counter.
Out of the ring and even closer to the chain link enclosure.
Oh no, what is he thinking?
Ascending this brutal structure. Warm up the engine on the ambulance. I got a very bad feeling about where these competitors are going to end up soon.
The Dominator. He switches it back around.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those...
Oh my God, off the top of the... No, don't do this. This will be catastrophic.
Please rethink this.
Oh no!
Oh man.
Somehow descending from hell and connecting. Have mercy on their souls. Well-delivered suplex.
I have to say, I feel like we are just one move away from claiming a winner in this one.
One more move or one more misstep, either one can do it.
Oh, man.
What a shot.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
Safety clearly isn't a concern for him right now.
How can it be in this type of match?
This has to be zapping every last bit of energy.
Oh boy, come on, not the chair.
Fishing for something beneath the ring. He's on top of the cell now.
Why? Why is he on top of the cell?
I think we're about to find out, Corey.
Hurled away. God.
We've already seen part of the cell break apart. No telling what more can break apart. And he comes crashing down. Here he goes for the win. Oh, and he breaks up the pin. Oh!
He's reeling, slowly getting up.
Take to the midsection. Oh, this is so much fun to watch.
Good God, good God. A much-needed big move.
Oh, look at
Strike.
shoulders down.
He scores a fall.
Good.
As this match goes on, he's looking worse for wear.
He can only consume this amount of pain for so long before succumbing to its effects. He saw that one coming.
Oh, what a spear!
Ref, get ready to raise his hand.
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come at any second, and that can be the... Oh, check out this power. This is ridiculous.
Dominance! Power slam!
It's all academic at this point.
Broken up, and the match continues. Set up the side Russian leg sweep.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this. Oh, check out this power. This is ridiculous. Thunderous power slam.
Can he take advantage of this? The cover! How in the world? His opponent thought he had it in the bag for sure.
This is when you have to switch game plans. You can't let yourself get discouraged.
What's the tally on how many times we thought this match was coming to an end? I can't count anymore. And he continues to carry on through the pain.
Yeah, he's somehow from way up.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Run right through with the spear. That's gotta be it.
2. What a kick out. Thought he had it.
You gotta be kidding me. Short arm clothesline.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Every person in this capacity crowd is on their feet.
And with good reason. These superstars are earning all of their respect.
Oh, what a punch.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
He's got his hands on a sledgehammer. Total chaos is about to be unleashed.
Great wherewithal on the counter. Clothesline.
What impact.
Big splash.
Ooh.
Big boot. Ooh. Counters.
God, disturbing impact.
Shoulder tackle. Makes him pay with a counter.
Oh, my God. Look at this.
Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
And the damage must be mounting on the torso to this point.
Every hit more detrimental than the last.
Reversal. Can they go on the attack?
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Able to avoid there. Big forearm.
And a clothesline.
Ooh.
Elbow drop right on point.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
Clothesline.
Double underhook suplex. I'm not so sure he knows what he's doing, guys.
Who are you to question him?
He's climbing the cell now, guys.
On the move.
Climbing the cell. That rarely ends well.
Oh, it does not.
And he's finally hit the peak. And guys, if history is... Does he have him here? He stops the count.
And he said, you're not getting me with that this time. Ooh, dropped right on their face.
And he's soundly taking control here.
You can tell he is holding nothing back.
Ooh! Hits him with the counter. Here's the cover for the win. Quick shoulder up.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
Face buster plants him. Oh, and a spear.
Huge turning point right here.
Cover. 2. He gets the late score. With the reversal. He climbs into the ring.
He knew that was coming.
Scoop slam. He reverses it. Clothesline. Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Big clothesline.
Right between the shoulder blades into the pump handle.
Into the backbreaker.
Oh, just turn that around. And the fight keeps being brought to him.
This situation is not setting up again.
Can't prepare your face for that.
That puts him in total control.
Cover. There it is with a late fall. He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Oh.
And he kicks out of the pin and 1.
I am shaking my head in disbelief.
Will it be?
I think so.
And a shoulder is lifted before 1.
You got a question. How much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. Obviously worth every drop of sweat on the...
Oh, check out this power. This is ridiculous.
Dominance. Power.
Does he get him here? The cover.
They got it. A career-changing win inside Hell in a Cell.
Let's look back on the action from the last match.
Here is your winner, Rex Steiner.
Quite the performance from all 3 superstars in this match.
Yeah, it may sound cliche, but you have to keep your head on a swivel in a match like this. And our winner did just that.